Hey, Lee Pennington here. On behalf of myself and Mike from Maine, I'd like to give you a massive welcome to this private demonstration of OneSoci for the Mike from Maine show. Now, I am going to actually demonstrate OneSoci, obviously. Before I do that, I think it's vitally important to actually go through some of the benefits and the problems that it actually solves. Now, as marketers, we know the importance of having a presence on social media, whether that be through the posts that we create for that networking, all the way through to the ads that we create to bring in that revenue. However, we also know is that it takes a hell of a lot of time to actually manage all that, manage our Facebook pages, our groups, our Pinterest, our Twitter accounts. What we also know is that having multiple sources of revenue, is something that is going to help that bottom line. It's something that's essential, and being able to have those multiple sources of revenue again takes time, takes money, takes the management. We can outsource it, but again, time, money. We can create those posts, but are they going to be stunning? We can grab that content and create that content, but will our time be better spent elsewhere? But looking at it all, we do know it's vitally important. I mean, let's go and have a look at some of the Facebook pages that I have, okay? And as you can see, I have multiple different pages in multiple different niches for that actual, multiple sources of revenue. We have to set up Facebook pages to actually run Facebook ads, okay? We may want to do Teesprings to these. We may want to have an engaging page with lots of people engaging on our posts. But why are they going to go there? And what is going to keep them there? Facebook is a massive market. What makes you stand out from everyone else? Is it the content? Are you unique? Is it your offers? So on and so on. But just looking at kind of what people have produced on Facebook, we know not only is a massive market, but there's a massive amount of money to be made there. Now, OneSoci was first developed over 18 months ago. And when we first launched it, it was kind of revolutionary at that time at what it did. It was one of the first posters. You could actually design posts, etc. But what we've done within that 18 months is actually listen to what the customer said to us and made it, I wouldn't even go 10 times, I'd say 100 times better. And what we're going to show you is going to absolutely blow you away. Now, you just need to look at the results, what we achieved last time. And this is from the sales page, and you'll see kind of the testimonials, and there'll be more to follow. But, from Brian, who managed to get 18,000 hits in 24 hours, all the way down to Jeff, who got 25 new likes to my sports page within 48 hours just by posting to it. Now, yeah, massive ends of the spectrum with regards to the results. However, we don't know what we can achieve unless we keep going with something. And so many times we set up a Facebook page, I'm sure you've got one, you maybe even got a few likes to it, and then you found it quite tedious to keep on top of the content and to keep on top of getting those likes to that page. However, how do we know what we can achieve unless we keep going with something? And would Brian have been able to get those 18,000 hits, or would Jeff been able to get those 25 new likes without posting content to his social media sites? So without further ado, and the reason why I need to go into this very quickly is the fact that there is absolutely tons and tons going on in OneSoci, and it's going to benefit you absolutely massively. Okay, so this is what you're going to actually come into. This is the dashboard of OneSoci. And on the left hand side, you will see we've got posts, cover photos, ads, custom tabs, contest, and that's why I needed to jump over here, because we're going to go through each one of those. You'll also notice that on the left hand side as well, I can choose to post to my personal or to my pages, and once I click on one of those, it will then start to post to that individual page. But let's start with posts. Now within posts, and again when you click on these, even more is going to open up. However, don't be daunted by it, because there's full training manuals here at the drop down right with regards video tutorials. So let's go with the first one, discover post. And we all know the importance of having content on there, fresh content, new content, engaging content. So let's say for instance we want to discover an article. So this is going to discover the most trending articles with regards to your chosen keyword. And let's go for that famous example, dogs, which everyone loves to put in. Okay, and what this is going to do now, it's going to bring back all the top trending articles with regards to dogs, with regards to that chosen keyword. And as you see, the list goes on and on and on. And I can simply select one of those posts. But what I'll do, I'll quickly show you what happens with videos. Exactly the same, trending videos. Let's put in dogs. And let's go to search. And again, it's going to bring back those top viral dog videos. Okay, and we can choose one of these Very, very easy to choose. And we can either select the video, we can watch the video, and when we select the video, exactly the same if we were to select video content, or should I say text content, we're going to be brought to this screen. Now, I can post that as is, okay? I can delete this link, as you know, and the link won't be there. It still grab the content back. I can post to my Twitter, to my Pinterest. I can post to multiple pages, so I can click on it, okay? And again, this allows me to keep on top of the page, or the pages, okay? And I can do to my groups as well. Now, what I can do is I can choose a time to schedule it. So let's say, for instance, in a month's time, I can choose the actual time zone. Okay, I just got to confirm, and then it will put it in the scheduler, or I can post it now. Now, one other thing that we've got in here is one-click opt-in. Now, the beauty about one-click opt-in, and again, this is something extremely powerful with the software, one of many, is that exactly that. We are going to protect this content with a one-click opt-in. So the person who actually views that, before they can go over and actually view it and play it, or it may be protected content, they have to give you the information via one click. And I'll show you that now. So I'll simply post that. Okay, so OneSoci will let me know. You can check in now on your profile. Okay, let me go over to Facebook. Let me go to that page. Okay, and what you'll see there is there it is, just now posted. Okay, and as you can see there, I protected this with a one-click opt-in. So I can change all, when I go back to there, I can change all this information. So the text there, I can change it. I can change the link. It could be an affiliate link. Okay, I can change the image. So it could be, you know, if you want to do a placeholder, more engaging, and I can change the text if there were text there. But as you can see, that is what it's like there. So when I click on that now, what you'd normally expect to happen is that we go to and watch the YouTube video. But as you can see now, I actually go over to the one-click opt-in page. Lee Pennington will receive your public profile information and email address. So there's no need for any opt-in form. There's no need for a person to fill it in, and that's where you're going to get that drop-off. So go to OK, and then what will happen now, it'll drop me off on that content. So again, like I said before, this could be protected content. This could be something that you want to give them, but only if you give your information. Now, we have done this ourselves with regards to one contest, and we also have one-click opt-ins with the contest that you can run from the software. And again, stay with me because I will show you that as well. This has got an 80% opt-in rate. Okay, why has it got an 80% opt-in rate? Because we're giving it away, it's a contest, and the person doesn't have to enter their details. Doesn't have to enter the email, doesn't have to enter their name, and other content that potentially we can grab if it's on public profile. Now, this works on the same principle as Facebook lead ads, okay, and we all know how good they are. So I'm just going to go back over there, and I'm just going to show you some more things within OneSoci. So what we can also do here is we can design a post. Okay, so post designer. Okay, now the post designer also comes with templates, and it may be that you want to create something which is totally unique. As you can see, we have lots of different things. It may be that you're a real estate agent, okay, and everything on here is drag and drop. So we can change it, we can change the size very easily. Okay, we can change the color. And again, I'm sure you've seen these types of editors before, but this is exceptional in the fact that we've got loads of background images. You can connect to Usign. You've got these actual templates within there. Okay, we can add shapes very easily just by clicking on. A shape will come on. Very easy to change things. Okay, images. We can upload our own images, backgrounds. Okay, again, very easy to put a background image there. Okay. And it maybe want to change the theme slightly. And all we would do there is continue, and it's going to drag back into that box where you saw before, and you can post that now, or you can post that at a later time. What you can also do is you can actually download the image. So it may be that you want to use this image away from Facebook, Twitter, or Pinterest, and you can do that very easily with that. Okay, and you can export a template. So let me just leave that page again. What we also have here is a scheduled post. So again, with all those posts that you're building up, it may be that you put content there which was, let's say you scheduled it over a month ago, and now that content has changed, the information has changed, you need to change the time, you need to change the affiliate link in there. You just simply go in there and manage your post. And what you can see here, this is where the one-click opt-ins. You can actually build your list through there. So as you can see, these are the different opt-ins I have. I've got one on my profile. So one was on my profile. One was on OneSoci contest. And as you can see there, that's the one that we have just posted. And as you can see, it's just grabbed back my Facebook ID, my name, my email address, and my mail, and I can download that as a CSV file, exactly like lead ads. So I'm going to build that list up through that. So that's the post. With regards to cover photos, what it's going to do now, it's going to drag back the cover photo of that individual page. So let's just choose Expert Marketer Pro, which is one of my pages. Okay, as you can see, it's just going to drag that back. Now I can edit this. Okay, now I've got an edit facility within here, so I've got loads of different templates, as you can see. So let's go and choose this one. Okay, and again, I just put in, I'd change the URL, I'd change the text, change anything I want. I can look at what it looks like on my Facebook page. So as you can see, it's going to drag back the way it looks. We can have it so we have calls to actions, we can have arrows pointing at things. We know exactly what's going on within our Facebook page. And the real beautiful thing about this as well is I simply go to continue. Okay, that is going to show what it's looking like. Go to publish. And before, remember what my page looked like. Okay, and what it's going to do now is actually going to publish my page. Let me just push that and go over. There you are. So let me just go over to the Facebook page. Let's go back to Facebook. Okay, this is my business manager. Okay, let me just go to my pages. And let me just show you that. So it was Expert Marketer Pro. Okay, so Expert Marketer Pro. As you can see, it's changed straight away on my page. Okay, so I've got multiple pages. It may be that I want to manage multiple pages, and I can do that, and I can change everything. Remember, this is real prime real estate. This is the first thing that a person sees when he lands on your, or she lands on your Facebook page. So that's with regards to cover photos. Let me just quickly go back to the dashboard. Now we have the ads, and again, another amazing feature of this platform. So within the ads, it's going to show all the ads that I have running. I simply go to create a new ad. Okay, and let's just say we want to do one on video marketing. Okay, and then all I'm going to do then, so I can create the ad and the way it looks. Go to continue. Okay, and now it's going to give me the actual ability to be able to create an ad, target the ad, and publish an ad. So as you can see here, I'll just go through these. I'm not going to push it in, but we've got website. So enter landing page URL, add your headline. So let me just show you there where this would go. So testing, as you can see, it's changing there. The left hand side, description. So here it is, and as you can see, that's your description at the top. We can change the actual budget. So let's put it down to $5. Okay, we can change the ad duration. I can change males, females, obviously, go through all that. You know the way with ads. If you've never done ads before, again, this is making it much easier for you than having to go backwards and forwards from all these different platforms. We can target by country, state, city, or zip, or postcode, languages. And as you type, you'll see that the content starts to come back. Okay. Device platforms, so we can target desktop, we can target mobile, as you can see there. Okay. Publishing platforms, we've got Facebook, Instagram, Audience Networks. Okay. Newsfeed, right hand side column, as you can see, exactly the same. And again, this is another amazing feature, advanced targeting, okay, which is the flexible specs, which not many people have started to use at this present time, but this shows how far advanced this software is. So let's say, for instance, our famous dogs, okay, and as you start to type it, it will bring back dogs, okay, but we've got the and or. Now, and or, basically before, we can group those interests very easily. So we could have a person would be interested in dogs and cats, and it would group them, or we can use the or facility, and this is where the flexible specs comes in with regards to and targeting. So a person is interested in dogs or cats. So can you see how you can create those laser targeted audiences? We have institutes, we have majors, we have work, we have search for jobs, and this has full approval from Facebook. Okay, now this is massive. This has took us a hell of a long time to actually get, but we've gone backwards and forwards with Facebook. We've got the full marketing API. It's fully approved by Facebook, as is everything within OneSoci. It's vitally important that you do know that. So everything that you see, one-click opt-ins, Facebook ads, the contest, which I'm going to show you next, the posting, etc., it's all been approved by Facebook. And when we go to publish campaign, what's going to happen is that it's going to go over to Facebook, and again, listen, that needs to very important that you also realize this. This is exactly like the Facebook ad platform in the fact that Facebook then needs to approve your ad. Okay, so if you're trying something that Facebook won't like, doesn't like, etc., etc., it is Facebook approving that. So it isn't kind of a shortcut to miss out Facebook. It's all going through Facebook. But again, we can create that ad. No need for outsourcers, and we can play very, very, very easily. Okay, I'm not going to publish campaign because obviously I've not set it up correctly. Okay, let's go back now to custom tabs. Okay, again, custom tabs. Now, you will notice on Facebook pages, let's just look at this Facebook page. Facebook are now making it so the tabs are a lot more kind of in view. They want to kind of have it where, your Facebook page is actually a website, and you'll see the tabs more prominent on here. So let me just go to one that we don't have anything on. Let's go to Facebook. Okay, and let me choose one of the pages. Okay, it's just a OneSoci. Okay, and what you'll see here is there's nothing there at this present time. Okay, as you can see, nothing there. So let's go to OneSoci custom tabs. Let's create a new tab. Okay, so test. Okay, and let's go and grab an actual one we can put in there. Okay, we're just grabbing this and we're just going to put that in. In fact, I think I need to change. In fact, let me just change the page here so it's going to post to the right page. Okay, so let me just delete that. Okay, let me just go to create. Oh, not change that there, sorry. Okay, brilliant. So let's go back to dashboard and let's start from the custom tabs. Okay, so create a new tab. So contest, and let's just put in that URL. Again, remember it needs to be HTTPS and confirm, and then publish tab. Okay, again, tab published successfully to Facebook. Go back to Facebook. As you can see, nothing there. Simply go and turn, and you'll see, okay, contest. Go over to contest. Okay, and what you'll see now is the active actual URL that you have put in there. So you can see all the testimonials that we had. It's active. Okay, so I could put in test and I could post it and it posts to that. Okay, I can opt in. And again, you can make it so your Facebook page has all your content on there. You can put in the URL of that has HTTP, which has making sure it's got an SSL certificate within it, so it needs that S there on the end. But you can have your opt-in pages, you can have your squeeze pages, you can have your videos, your video page, and have it all within that one Facebook page or multiple different Facebook pages. You can only post one tab at one time, but that's what you get with regards to OneSoci. Okay, and now contests. So contests in itself is going to take a little bit of time to show you because of how much is in there. So create a new contest. Okay, we have three options. We have the basic info form request. As you can see on the left hand side, the header, the body, the button, and then we can choose the info. We can request email, name, phone, or details. Okay, and as we click on those, it's self-explanatory. We have the one-click opt-in contest, and this is one of the one-click opt-in contests that I show you, which we are getting an 80% opt-in rate. Okay, and we're basically giving OneSoci away for free to one person. Click to enter, and all our details build our list. Okay, we can then also have quiz opt-in. So what happens here is that basically they can have either question and answer or multiple choice question. Okay, so first, second, third, etc. Okay, but we'd stick with the quiz opt-in. All we do here, as we did over there, is simply upload an image. Let's put an image. Let me see if that is. Yeah, there we have an image there. Caption for your image, title your contest, choose the date, an expiry message, the tab name. Again, I know I've been talking a little bit long, so I'm not going to publish this, but the tab name that you have of your contest, the choice that you want for the contest, the expiry message, the actual date that you want it to run from, the expiry date and time, the standard time zone that you have, and also the thank you message. The thank you message is where they're going to drop off, and as you can see, the field accepts HTML data, and the button text exactly what you want them to do to sign up. Okay, so your call of action, click here now, get access here, etc., etc., and confirm, and that would then go over to our Facebook page as a contest in any one of the three forms. Okay, so a lot to take in with regards to OneSoci, and I'm sure I've actually missed a lot of stuff within it. It's totally unique in everything it does. I should also mention that we post to Pinterest, we post to Twitter. Okay, and again, you just simply connect it via your social settings. We also have the Usign integration, so if you've got your Usign templates, you can actually drag them into the software. The list really does go on, and it may feel a little bit rushed, but I appreciate your time is precious. Now, what I'll talk about now is basically what you get within the platform. So, within the Maine, okay, the Maine application, you are going to get everything that you saw within posts. So you're going to get Discover Post, Design Post, Schedule Post, one-click opt-ins. Okay, so everything that you saw that you are going to get. You're also going to get the cover photo to be able to edit the cover photos on multiple different pages. Okay, and you're also going to get the ads. Okay, so being able to use the ad section within there. There is a limit with regard to the amount of pages that you can manage. Please do look at the sales page to see that. I think it's 50 pages and groups, but don't quote me on that. It's been a long day. Okay, so you've got the posts, the cover photos, and the ads. You also get templates within that. Okay, so you're going to get 10 templates within each one, in the posts, in the cover photos, and in the ads. Okay, so that's for the main. So as you can see, that in itself will, cut so many corners to the point of you're going to be able to manage all these pages, your Twitter account, your Pinterest. Okay, you're going to be able to create stunning graphics, stunning posts. You're going to be able to grab content. You're going to be able to have one-click opt-ins. You're going to be able to manage the cover photos, and you're going to be able to run ads by an application that's been approved by Facebook. Okay, the OTO1. Okay, this is the first upgrade, and this is for people who basically want to kind of make money with the fact that being able to use OneSoci, and I strongly recommend you getting this as well. The custom tabs you get within that. So what I show you there with being able to put your URL and put it in your Facebook page, you get that with the first upgrade. What you also get is the commercial license, which is vitally important if you're using this for yourself and for your clients, and being able to create that kind of social media, let's say agency, and being able to manage all these different pages and these groups, these Twitter account and Pinterest. So that is with regards to that. You're also going to get 100 templates. So you're going to get 30 odd templates in the post, 30 odd templates in the cover photos, 30 odd templates in the ads instantly. What you're also going to get is 30 new templates in each section every single month. I believe it's in each section. No, in fact, it's 30 templates every single month. I take that back. I apologize. So 30 templates every single month. They're going to hit your account. Okay. You're also going to get the ability to create and manage unlimited actual pages. Okay, and groups within that. So again, it's vitally important that if you're on that kind of scale and you want to build this up and you want to profit from it, then the upgrade is strongly recommended. And there is one more upgrade, and that's the contests. So if you wanted the contest section that we saw before, we'd be able to create these new contests in 3 different options. So your inform request, the one-click opt-in, and the quiz opt-in. Then that is the upgrade too. Okay, and that is it. So you've got the main, which is what we went through, is the post. I'll run through it one more time. So the main, which is the post, the cover photos, and the ads with 10 templates in each. The upgrade 1, which is the custom tabs, the commercial license to be able to use for yourself and for your clients, the 100 and odd more templates that you saw, all created in-house by our designers, all editable, and the 30 new templates coming every single month to that. And the contest is a second upgrade, and you're also going to give you 20 contests for that, so the images, etc, etc. So as you can see, there's a lot going on. I've nearly lost my breath with regards to that, and how long I've been going for now, 23 minutes. I did rush through it as quickly as I possibly could because of those points that I actually wanted to go through. If there's any questions, please either reach out to myself or to Mike, and I'll happily answer them because I'm sure you've got loads. But like I said, this is OneSoci. We are launching on 11 a.m. EST on the 26th. There will be an early bird. Okay, so there's going to be an early bird for that main, and that's going to be open for the first few hours. So vitally important to get in the early doors and get this at an amazing discounted rate. You're going to love it. You're absolutely going to love it. It is jam-packed, okay? Very proud of it. We have an amazing response from the customers already using it and the beta users it, and we can't wait to see you using it as well. So on behalf of myself and Mike as well, really do appreciate you listening to what I've got to say. Please do enjoy the rest of your day, and hopefully speak to you very soon.